Alright, so we're playing hide and go seek in our property, and our grandma is trying to find us. This is gonna be fun. Let's go. Alright, so we just started. Me and my sister are playing. Hi. So, right now we're in the pasture, trying to find a spot. She's checking chicken eggs while we find a spot. So, let's do this.
Remember, you have to whisper.
I'm recording. All right. There's a rabbit. So, she isn't really wearing the best colors to be playing this. I'm wearing okay colors, but so she's probably gonna walk up through that fence line right there. So we want to go to the backyard.
And if we see her, we have to, okay, so if we see her, then we have to like start whispering.
Guys. Run. Guys, she's right up there. We gotta go. All right, I think we're safe for now. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, so she should be coming up around there somewhere. So what we need to do right now is we need to go back there. So let's go. We gotta go back there. Behind that shed.
The barn shed?
Yeah, the barn.
What shed?
The red shed.
Backpack somewhere?
And also, I have a question. Why do you have a bow and arrow?
I have no idea.
All right, guys. We gotta find somewhere to go. Action. So I thought I saw her over there, but I guess I didn't. So that means now we're gonna go over there. What do you think about that?
What if she's around the corner, but we don't see her right now?
You got a point.
I mean, we're probably gonna play multiple rounds.
All right, so let's risk it for the biscuit. Let's go. We can always just get down in the grass. Like, bro, this grass is extremely tall. We can just get down and hide.
Yeah, we can just get down and see.
All right, so the last time we saw her, she was right here. Let's hide. All right, guys, so I have the strong feeling she is in the driveway, which is way down there. So we're about to find out because we're going to go down there. Alright, so you know we gotta do a check-in on the calf. Right there. Alright, we're gonna head down to the porch. Alright, so we're gonna head down to that porch down there. Hope she's not over here anywhere. By the way, guys, I still do not see her in sight. So, we have to find her before we do anything. So, stay on the lookout, and if you see her, comment down below where she is. Alright, we gotta run. Let's go. Alright guys, I know you might think this is cheating because we're indoors while she's still out looking for us. But we think we just saw her come outside. Yep, there she is. She's right there. And she's looking for us. So we're going to run out the front door and hope she doesn't see us. Let's go. Shut this door extremely quietly.
No, you do it. You do it. You do it.
She's right there. She's right there.
Let's go to his butt.
No, we gotta go this way. Let's go out there. Yeah.
When I say go, we gotta go. Go. That was an idea.
Oh, yes. Alright, so we think we just walked through poison ivy, but we actually have a fort up in the woods that we built with tree logs. It's up there. We're gonna try and make our way up there at the moment without getting caught, so let's try that. For all we know, she's up there somewhere. So, we are just hanging out. So we just made it to our fort right here. We built it a few months back. And let's check out how good a shape it's in. Here what?
There's head shark food out here.
Okay. right there. Guys. Right there. Guys, she's coming down right there. So we're going up here. Goodness, you ditched your thing.
But she probably saw it.
Guys, I'm not putting that in. Alright, so I just fell. It did not feel good. By the way, the whole earth did not just shake. Don't put that in the comments. No, no, get in the grass, get down! Guys, she's right there, right there. We're hiding. So guys, our grandpa just gave us away and said that, he said there they are. And our grandma looked in our direction, and I'm hoping she didn't see us. Otherwise, we're doomed because this is where we are right now. And yeah, that is nowhere to hide. That's not a hiding place. So now we're just taking a walk down the field, hoping that she doesn't walk up on our rear. But let's see how much longer this lasts. Actually, a few minutes ago we were walking down here. Well, that was in the video. And we saw a rabbit run through the woods right here. So, yeah, we gotta be careful. Oh yeah, and by the way, we're not scared of rabbits. Ignore that last part. Oh yeah, and you haven't already, you should like and hit that big red button at the bottom right of the screen for good luck and to see more content. Why did you do that? Oh, so get down right here. Get down. But that's poison oak. That's even worse. We're fried.
Wait, my
Go. That's poison oak. Oh. We gotta go.
We gotta go. You just touched poison.
No, I don't know if that's what it was. And also, guys, is this poison oak?
Comment down below. She's going to the trailer. Let's see.
Alright, we gotta go. Guys, our dad just showed up at the house. Let's hope he doesn't get us caught. That's his truck. So guys, now we're just hanging out here, and everyone is right here. So yeah, I think we're cooked. Yeah. Let's hope we don't get caught. Well, we're gonna have to get caught soon because this game can't go on forever. Alright, she's seen us.
No, she hasn't yet.
I'll see y'all in the next one. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.